Rackspace Cloud Deployments is a new feature, and we are enjoying the early access. So there will be some bugs, and this is our website just to remind you. And any kind of command line if you want as a guide, not for Rackspace automated deployments, but on any topic. Uh, or any data you want about cloud computing. So this is our typical web page. And we have to check the knowledge center, and one quite frequently asked question possibly will be whether this new deployments is a platform as a service or not. No, it is not platform as a service. It's just automated system to install with pre-configured in a blueprint like structure. There is no need of any. There is no need to type any commands. That is a very good point, or even you do not need to what is SSH. That's a very nice thing to use cloud servers. Definitely, Rackspace has the best web hosting in this world without any affiliate relationship with Rackspace Cloud. As an user, long-term user, we can definitely say, especially the managed configuration is the best in the world. The next competitor will be possibly from our side, we can say, is Amazon, definitely. And it is very difficult to say who will be in the third position because there's a lot of competitors. And here we get the total cost at per hourly basis, plus you have to calculate the pricing of bandwidth. So at this moment there is only Ubuntu. Actually, we are not typical ready-made deployment guys. So there will some opinions might differ, some personal opinion might differ, but definitely it is a very good system because not everyone is used to even run a script, bash script, and you can check the total infrastructure with a click. What we do in case of Rackspace Cloud Server is to build manually and configure all the things like load balancers of files, Rackspace Cloud files, DNS, database in case we use cloud database. But in this case, you actually need nothing to know practically. And you can see this as I have used arbitrary fully qualified domain name, that is example.com. So I am using the IP address. Oh, detection center. Actually, it is not fully built. We are accessing it faster, so the CSS is missing. There is nothing wrong with it. It's just we have to check the page loading speed with 500 MB of RAM on Ubuntu server. So let us head to the best web page speed testing website, that is webpagetest.org. This is the standard. This is a gold standard. So there are two tests. As you can see, we are showing you all fully live, without any interruption or video editing cutting part. So actually I have forgotten the username. So it is very important, because if you that there is a database root password, if you wrongly click the dismiss password, you will forget it. So just for serious deployment, you have to first copy it and paste it and save it, obviously. So nothing to do right now, because actually I completed. The error 404 is showing due to the fact that actually the jQuery and other resources are not loading due to we have not allowed enough time. But you can see it is 65 score with almost all are correct. So and there is, we have not logged in, we have not configured the plugins. So it is definitely, it will give you around 95 from our experience if you configure it a bit for optimization. So I am deleting this instance because we do not need it. With the 512, it really took very less time, although that part we have cropped a bit. So it is not 2 minutes or 3 minutes, it just actually took around 10 minutes. I think it is great. With 512, it is really great speed. So now there are some things. First you have to take the thing that JSH is asking for upgrade. So regarding the opinion, coming to our opinion is, it is really great. And the next option which we had before after managed Rackspace Cloud was cloud sites, which is currently running on a legacy system. So it is definitely a platform as service. It's excellent, some excellent features. Cloud sites has some excellent features, and there are a lot of business websites are running on cloud sites. But this is a very great idea from Rackspace, because possibly cloud sites should have to get some modification. I do not know what is the modification, obviously, but yes, definitely there are a lot of improvement recently in the recent past in cloud sites. But the flexibility of cloud sites was not present in cloud server, definitely. And the managed level was a bit costly, because it added $100 per month, and I think that it was a bit costly for the very new users who, especially for blog websites, was not much earning at early times. So definitely it is a very good move, because just read and run your own server. That's it.